if you have changed your oil in a 2013 Dodge Journey, I'm going to tell you real quick how to get the change oil light off of the dash. What you need to do is, if you have a push button model like this, do not put your foot on the brake and push the button, start button, until it's over to run. Then you will push the accelerator in 3 times within 10 seconds. And then you simply turn it off, and then turn on your car normally. Put your foot on the brake, start the car, and that message should now be cleared